Trini show. Now, when you like to cook, like your girl Andrea love to cook, you have to sort of arrange the refrigerator in a certain way. You have certain things, certain places, have it looking clean and nice, you understand what I'm saying? And you will find certain Trinidadian stuff in a refrigerator. So, here we go. So, in my refrigerator, these are the things that you would find in a Trinidadian refrigerator. You must find, when I tell you must find, green seasoning. And this is homemade green seasoning. It's made with all the natural herbs you can find. Garlic, pepper, bandania, you understand? Onion, all of that. Parsley, anything you get, you're throwing it in here. Now, these little shelves, they are very convenient. I got them at the dollar store. So it's just a slide forward. Instead of knocking stuff over, you have stuff arranged. I have all my stuff here. And here you go. Homemade pepper sauce. You must find a bottle of homemade pepper sauce. This is lemon, lime, garlic, pepper, all different kind of pepper. You understand? It even have Karaili inside here. So this is pepper sauce. And more pepper. And again, more pepper, calypso hot sauce. And if that is not enough, more pepper, soca sauce. So this is my sauce rack. This is my hot pepper sauce rack. Now if you want to make a little mayonnaise and stuff like that, or you want to make a little sandwich, this is where I keep my mayonnaise. You understand? On this little rack. And you also have here some Alfredo sauce. Yeah, you know when you open your condensed milk or your carnation milk and you put two little holes, you know which Trinidadians like to put two holes in everything. You put two holes. Carnation milk, if not finished, you put it in the front. Along with little breakfast stuff, you know, your little jelly, your mango jam, you put your little guava jam and all that kind of stuff, all these jams and jellies on this tray. And as I've said, you can pick this up by the dollar store. Not expensive. And it's very convenient. Now, if you're lucky, right? If you keep this refrigerator open too long, the thermometer give you a sort of ringing song telling you, hey, gone. You have to close this refrigerator. So let me speed it up. In this little tray, I have some mustard. You know when you want to make your macaroni pie, you want to throw in a little mustard and stuff like that? This is my mustard tray. And butter and butter and butter. To put in your pie, to make your cake and all them kind of stuff. Now, eggs. You always will find some eggs in a Trinidadian refrigerator. And you can pick this up by the dollar store. You understand? It's a nice little tray. You put your eggs in it. You can see your eggs. You can tell yourself, alright, the eggs running low. I'll run back to the store and I can buy some more eggs. You hear that alarm going off again? Lard. Lard to make your bread. L-A-R-D. To make your bread. And you're feeling thirsty, you want a little Coca-Cola, you drink a little Coca-Cola, you put it right alongside the milk. Now, it has certain levels on the refrigerator that you will keep certain stuff. You understand? So, this is where I keep some bread. I keep some drinks here. Some little juices and stuff like that. And here, you can store little vegetables. You don't want to overstock. You have, like I have some bodi here. This is bodi. Have it in a nice little plastic wrap. Shadow benny. You must put some shadow benny. You must have a little Congo pepper. Trinidadian fridge without Congo pepper is not no Trinidadian fridge. Another name you call it Scotch bonnet. And of course, your sweet peppers. Nicely arranged. Here you put your little fruits. Your little pineapple, your little mango. Any little fruits you have, you throw it in here. Right? I even have some prunes. Trinidadian fridge. What is a Trinidadian fridge without some lime? You need your lime to wash your meat. You understand? You need some carrots to make your pilau. Some cherries to make your salad. You understand? And this little extra tomato. Some cheese in your refrigerator to make your macaroni pie. You understand? And if you open up your cheese, you just take a piece of plastic wrap and you wrap it nicely, right? All this section here is for cheese. You understand? All different kind of cheese. Cream cheese. You see that fridge? This fridge is so sensitive, it is telling me to close the refrigerator, right? Pepper jack cheese. So this is my cheese section here, guys. So I'm going to close the refrigerator section, and I'm going to the freezer section now. Alright, so in the freezer section of the refrigerator, you have all kind of stuff. You have frozen vegetables. If you're somebody who is on the go all the time, if you're on the go all the time, you're a hungry man, you put a little hungry man inside here. Stick him in the microwave, you understand? If the children are them hungry and you're still at work, you can stick that in the microwave. I have some fish here. Salmon. You understand? You have fish. You must have some shrimp to make your shrimp stir fry. More shrimp. So this is the frozen section. So guys, back again, let me open the refrigerator. You know your girl and when to take a little drink. You understand? And I have my little drinks here. I have my little sorrel drink. You understand? All my little drinks. My barefoot. Who wants some barefoot? Come over by me. I always keep a little bit of raisins in here. If I have to make my sweet bread, Trinidadians must have the raisins. You understand what I'm saying? Your tomato ketchup right in the top here. Right? Another shelf. Additional stuff. Your maraschino cherries to put in your black cake. You must put this in your black cake. Maraschino cherries and lime juice or lemon juice. You understand? So these are the things you would find in a Trinidadian refrigerator. You understand? Take your time and pack your refrigerator neat. Make sure you can access your stuff and you'll be good to go in your kitchen. So this is your girl Andrea closing off and saying, see you again with another great video. Bye for now. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye.